Good morning, students. Now let us see our next example, that is 4. Now if the question is in tabular form, that means table is given to you and you have to form the point using that coordinates, then how you will represent that each point. We will see the method and theory related to this in this example 4. So your question is that x coordinate having -3, 0, -1, 4 and 2, y coordinate having 7, -3.5, -3, 4 and -3. Now in your question it is given that 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit you have to take. That means here if you see or if you want to measure it, then you using your scale you can measure that one block. This one block having a measure is 1 centimeter. So each after each centimeter you have to keep 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3 in sequence we will write. So that I formed in that coordinate, xy coordinate, you can see in the diagram. Now the same thing that I wrote, x, y, x dash and y dash. Okay, so this is the question which is given in your textbook as example 4. Now first your job is to show that which point shows x coordinate and which shows a y coordinate. So for that what you will do, first you have to write x, that is -3. When -3 is there, which point is related to y coordinate? It is positive +7. Right? This is a number 1. Then similarly for number 2, when x is 0, at that time y will be -3.5. Then third, -1, -3. Fourth, 4, and last is fifth one is 2, -3. So you have to relate to each other which number is correspond to x and which number is correspond to y coordinate. So same thing I wrote in this bracket. Now you can see that you can apply easily. First you have to find when x term is a negative, and when you will get the x negative and which place, then you can say that in a x dash coordinate. Right, x dash coordinate. So upper or down, that is a question. So we will wait till y is not come. So y is +7. So now you can assume that if one is negative, which is x dash, and another one is a positive from y, then you have to see in second quadrant. Right? So we will use a second quadrant, which is 7. Now for the 7 I have to little go far. Suppose it will be here and the -3. So my -7 will be here. Fine. So 7 I didn't wrote on the coordinate, but here it will be, because 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it will be here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that will be here because x dash having a -3 and y having a 7. So in quadrant 1 this first point will be here. So address of this first points is here. Now let us go for second one. Now x having 0. So when we will write a 0 when the point is on the same line, not in a quadrant but on a same line. So we will go towards x with a 0, right, and y equals to -3.5. so y dash, where will be the minus sign? Of course here. So our point will be here -3.5, because x coordinate they don't have any address, so we will write only on the point -3.5. Now third one, -1, -3. So which quadrants having both the coordinate negative? Yes, it is third one, right? So we will go for towards x, which is 1, that will be here, and third next one is -3. So our next point will be situated this point. Similarly 4, 4. Now which quadrant having both the coordinate positive? Quadrant 1, which is 4 and 4. So my next point will be situated here. And the last and the fifth one, 2, which x equals to 2, which is positive. So go towards the positive 2, that is x, and negative towards a y dash, because it is a -3. So we will go down, that means in a fourth quadrant. So next point will be situated here. So last address of the points is this point. So if you want to write in the bracket, you can also write like this way, right? In your textbook it is given that when you show the address of point, you can write in the bracket also, because it will be easier to understand to those who are watching your question or your answer. If you write in the bracket, it will be easier to understand, right? So in this way you can keep and address the given point, right? So the same question, it is similar question, it is given in exercise 3.3 that you have to do by yourself. Okay, so very easy method, and this exercise you have to do in homework, because the similar thing only given. When a tabular form is there, you have to find a x point and y point, keep in brackets as I listed over here, keep in bracket, so it will help you to understand little fast. Okay, so which coordinate related to x points and which point is related to coordinate, that is also you can understand by this listing. Fine. So first you have to find that if you have a question in tabular form, then create a brackets and form a address of the question. Okay. Thank you.